Well, now we come to the most important part of the affiliate network, at least as far as the affiliates are concerned, how to pay them. They do like to get paid, and they like to get paid on time. They tend to get a little cranky when the money doesn't show up because they get nervous, and there's a lot of affiliate networks out there, and there's some people who don't deal on the straight up. So, you know, it's understandable that they get nervous if they don't see a check arrive. So you want to make sure that you pay them on time. Now, the Revizzit affiliate network is set up in a way that you handle this completely on your own. This software is set up as a courtesy. We are not responsible for paying your affiliates or tracking that you've paid them. So we'll probably hear from them if you don't pay them, and then we will get involved, and you could possibly jeopardize your Revizzit account status. So basically, you just want to make sure that you communicate well with your affiliates. You have all of their emails. You can talk to them as you like. And if you want to make special arrangements with them, you can do that as well. It's up to them to agree to your terms before they promote your products. Okay? And we do have our general terms, which you read and agreed to when you joined the affiliate program. So that being said, just so that everybody understands the responsibility level. So that being said, you do have to pay your affiliates, and I'm going to show you how you can do that very easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up your commissions panel, and this is going to tell you your entire history. If you have it set to search for all, it'll show you everything. And the first thing I'm going to point out is that these unpaid will not change, because if we had set up this affiliate network a different way, you could have paid through the system and it would have changed those to paid and unpaid. However, that would have put us in a responsibility position as a company, which we don't want to be in. So we've turned that feature off, which means that paid column will not be accurate. So don't look to that to be accurate. You really need to do external accounting, which means you're going to export this data into your own spreadsheet software, and you're going to go in and manually change on your own end whether it's been paid or not. So here's how this whole thing works. At any time you want, you can come up here and click Export to CSV, and it's going to give you all of this information, and actually even a little bit more, I believe, in a file that you can open with Excel or Numbers, or you can even open it in Google Docs as a spreadsheet. And anytime you want, you can come and look at your affiliates, either in the Affiliate Manager or even right here, and you can see by clicking on this little magnifying glass next to their name, all their information you need, and primarily the PayPal email address they have on file. That's the place where you're going to send their check to PayPal, their payment. So that's important to have as well when you go to make your payments. Now, once you export to CSV, I'm just going to go ahead and export right now to CSV. You'll see it pops up a box that you can save the file, so I'm going to save that. And when I open it, you can see it opens right here in Microsoft Excel on my computer, or whatever one you want to open it with. And I have all the information going across. I have the commission, the total amount, the retail value of the product, the order IDs, the product IDs. I can see what the campaign name is, and just all the way across all the same information, including this paid column right here, which you can manually change as you pay them. And it tells you the affiliate, it tells you the affiliate username right here. An important thing to remember is this affiliate username may not be the email address that they use for PayPal. So that's just the one they use to log in and the one that you can communicate to. But you do need to go back and make sure you have their PayPal email address on file so that you can make the payment. So once you have this set up, you can keep this and just keep growing the list month to month. So you can just come in and add new data to here and continue to pay them in that fashion. So I'm going to go back real quick and show you how you would do that. You can always come up here to Advanced Search, and you can choose Select Custom Date, and come in here and you can actually choose the month and the day. So let's say you pay on the 1st of every month. You might want to go from the 1st to the end of the month. So from 2/1 to 2/28. So every month you can do that. And when you hit search down here, it changes your results down below to only show the ones that happen between that date range. Okay, and then if you click export to CSV, now you'll get a CSV that only has these that only has this data in it, and then you can just append your spreadsheet and continue from there. So once you've collected all of the data and you've figured out what you owe each affiliate, then it's a simple matter of coming in and doing a send money on PayPal to the PayPal email address they have on file. Okay, and again, you can do this a different way as long as you communicate to your affiliates that you would prefer to do it a different way, in which case you might say you'd like to send them an actual check in the mail, and they'll need to give you their address and all of that, but you do need to have it in writing so that there's no blowback of misunderstanding the terms. Okay, I hope this helps you understand how to make your payments, and I do recommend using actually Google Docs. It's a really convenient way to freely keep your spreadsheets in order and have access to them anywhere you go. So that's just a tip for you. I would try and import that CSV into Google Docs and see if that works out.